What possible shape could Nifty be by end of the day? I think it could form a double distribution. That only Nifty can tell at the end of the day. Again, I cannot get ahead of the markets. Whether it's a double distribution or not, or whatever it is, it will be clear by the end of the day. There is a specific reason that we do not get ahead of the markets, because it is very, very addictive thing to do. I have been through it. I have paid the price. It is very addictive to start thinking about what the markets will do, where they will go, what kind of shape they will form, all those kinds of things. I do not like to get ahead of the markets. It's not a good thing to do, and I will suggest you the same. Just have patience, wait, let the market develop, and please understand, even if you are not able to take the trade right now, over a period of time you will be able to take all the trades that are required, and you will be able to make all the money that you dream of. So just have patience, just take in what the market is trying to tell you first. Okay, be receptive, otherwise market won't speak with you. I have always said that the day when you see markets talking to you, that day comes, that market, you will suddenly hear a voice inside your head, and you won't realize what is happening, but market will tell you, okay, I am trying to do this, this and this. You either fall in line, or you're already doing a good job, congratulations, something like that will come from the markets. Wait for that. The day you get that experience, I'm really absolutely sure that then you will do everything in your power to not let it go. It's like finding God. Okay, once you find him, you won't let him go, right? You will do whatever you need to keep in touch, stay in touch. So market is probably not like God, but it is a very powerful entity, and if you can get in touch with the markets, and you cannot do it, you just can be open to a dialogue. For that, you have to be open to a dialogue. It's a very difficult thing to do without having biases, without having expectations. If you can be open to the markets for a dialogue, market will speak with you, and then you will get all the answers that you are asking for, and you basically won't be too anxious to know what is going to happen. You will give markets its due time to develop, and you will get the results and outcome you're looking for.